A cheating man's regrets after my first affair. I couldn't stop. Let's talk about what goes through a man's mind when he cheats. It's the question every woman wants answered. 1. It was just a fling. I never meant to leave my wife. James, 52. James had a happy marriage. His wife was kind, kept their home perfect, and raised their children well. But when her attention shifted to the kids, their intimacy faded. I'm a husband, a father, but also a man. I needed release. My coworker filled that void. It's like smoking. I can't quit, but I'd never leave my family. The truth? James wasn't chasing passion. He was escaping a false closeness. They shared a home, but not their hearts. How to fix it? Talk deeply, not just about chores, but fears and desires. Small gestures, morning coffee, a daily I love you. Rebuild intimacy. Start with holding hands, not just sex. 2. I wanted an escape and then I got caught. Michael, 55. Michael's wife was his rock, hard-working, patient, never complaining. But the pressure of being the perfect husband exhausted him. At home, I had to be on. With her, I could just breathe. I knew it was wrong, but I couldn't stop. When his wife filed for divorce, regret hit too late. The truth? Michael didn't want a new love. He wanted freedom from expectations. If you're the wife, ease control. Trust him to make choices. Say I feel, not you should. Give space. Clinging pushes him away. 3. I used an affair to end my marriage. Robert, 58. Robert married out of duty, not love. For years, he endured a lifeless marriage until he met her. She made me feel alive. I begged my wife for divorce, but she refused. Now, I'm trapped in resentment. The truth? Robert's affair wasn't about love. It was an exit strategy. If this is your marriage, stop pretending. Staying for the kids hurts everyone. Get brave. Leaving is scary, but regret is worse. Counseling. If there's any love left, fight for it. The hard lesson: cheating is rarely about sex. It's about loneliness in a crowded marriage, fear of admitting unhappiness, cowardice, avoiding hard conversations. What to do if he strays? Breathe. Don't scream or beg. Ask yourself, can this marriage heal? Act therapy or goodbye. Remember, you deserve honesty. If he won't change, walk away. The best revenge? A life well lived. Final thought: as seasons change, so can we. If you're feeling heavy-hearted, step outside. Sunlight helps. And if your marriage feels like winter, spring might mean letting go.